Hello friends, in last video we have studied about some important terms related to cell, which were electromotive force E, terminal voltage capital V, and internal resistance of cell small r. EMF is summation of terminal voltage V or potential drop across external resistance V and potential drop on internal resistance small v, which is I into small r. Now we will discuss about series combination of cell. Take two cells of different EMF and different internal resistance which are connected in series with external resistance capital R as shown in figure. It is our first cell and second cell. Potential difference between point A and C is potential difference across external resistor capital R. Potential difference between point A and B is terminal voltage across first cell, and potential difference between point B and C is terminal voltage across second cell. By Ohm's law, between point A and C, V equal to IR equal to VA minus VC, which is VAC. Since current in circuit is I, which is flowing through all first cell, second cell and external resistor. If we extend potential difference between point A and C, VAC. Potential difference between point A and C is sum of potential difference between point A and B and potential difference between point B and C. VA minus VB. It is terminal voltage of first cell. Since EMF equal to terminal voltage plus potential drop on internal resistance. Potential drop on internal resistance is current into resistance IR. So, terminal voltage V equal to E minus IR. So, terminal voltage of first cell E1 minus IR1 and terminal voltage of second cell E2 minus IR2. Take equivalent EMF and equivalent resistance of both cells as we have taken in combinations of resistors. Take a different cell whose equivalent is E equivalent and equivalent internal resistance is R equivalent. Current due to it is capital I. Cell equation: terminal voltage equal to EMF minus potential drop on internal resistor, because EMF equal to potential drop on external resistor or terminal voltage plus potential drop on internal resistance. So VAC equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. Now compare both equations. Then equivalent EMF E equivalent is E1 plus E2 and equivalent internal resistance R equivalent is R1 plus R2. Okay, thank you.